Good morning, my dear students. Today we are moving forward with our chapter, that is rational numbers. Up to now, we have completed the introduction of rational numbers, their addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I think all of you are familiar with it and having no problem regarding that. So today we are moving forward with our topic, that is to find a rational number between given rational numbers. What is the topic? The topic is to find a rational numbers between given any two rational numbers. Fine. So if x and y be two rational numbers such that x is less than y, the first rational number is less than the second one, then 1 upon 2 multiplied by sum of rational numbers is a rational number between x and y. What I have said, that if two rational numbers are given and we have to find out a rational number between them, what we have to do? We have to add both the rational numbers and then divide the answer by 2. What I have said, first sum or add the given two rational numbers and then divide them by 2. Fine. So in this way we can find out the rational number between the given rational number. Fine. We can find any number of rational numbers by following this method. इस मेथड को फॉलो करके हम कितने भी रेशनल नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ टेक सम एग्जांपल. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड अ रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. What we have to find? We have to find a rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. What are the values given? The given values are 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. So here the required number is equal to 1 upon 2. We are using the same formula, 1 upon 2, then sum of rational numbers. Sum of rational numbers means 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. Now the same procedure we have to follow as we have done earlier in the addition of rational numbers. So first of all, take their LCM. What is their LCM? Their LCM is 12. Now 1 upon 2 as it is. Then LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 1 plus 3 4s are 12 multiplied by 1. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. So what is the answer? The answer is 7 upon 24. And it will lie between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. Fine. So in this way we can find as many of the rational numbers. Clear? Just take another example from your book. Take an example of your book also, so that you can clearly understand this concept. Now the question is, find three rational numbers lying between 3 and 4. How many rational numbers you have to find? You have to find 3 rational numbers. We have to follow the same procedure. What procedure? 1 upon 2 multiplied by addition of rational numbers. The rational numbers given are 3 and 4. So what is their addition? Their addition is 7. So what is the first rational number between them? That is 7 upon 2 it is. Now we clearly know that the 7 upon 2 lies between 3 and 4. In this way we have find our first rational number. Now how many more we have to find? We have to find 2 more rational numbers, and we will follow the same method for this. See what is we are taking? We are taking what we are doing? We are doing the first rational number that we have obtained and the given rational number. यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया है 7/2 and 4. The same procedure we had followed. In this time we can also take 13/4. यहाँ पे हम कौन सी वैल्यू भी ले सकते थे 13/4 and then we can solve by following the same method. इसी method से हम solve कर सकते हैं. तो जब भी हम rational numbers find out करेंगे तो ये required नहीं है कि हमारा आंसर जो बैक में आंसर शीट गिवन है उससे मैच हो, क्योंकि the rational numbers are numerous. बहुत सारे rational numbers हम find out कर सकते हैं. The only thing is that the procedure should be correct. जो हम procedure follow कर रहे हैं वो क्या होना चाहिए? Correct होना चाहिए. Fine. And what is the procedure? It is very simple. 1/2 multiplied by x plus y. Fine. So in this way we have solved it. And what we have find? 15/4. What we have find? 15/4. That's why 3. Then the rational number 13/4, 7/2, 15/4 and 4. So in this way we have find out 3 rational numbers that are 13/4, 7/2 and 15/4. I think it is clear now. So move to the other question of your book, that is find 10 rational numbers between -4, -3/4 and 5/6. What you have to find? You have to find 10 rational numbers between -3/4 and 5/6. So what we have to do in this question? इस question में हम क्या करें? The basic thing is to make the denominator same. What is the basic thing? The basic thing or the important thing is to make the denominator same. इन दोनों का denominator हम क्या करेंगे? Same form करेंगे. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. You all know LCM is 12. So now make the denominator same. -3/4 is equal to -3 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. We have followed this method from the starting. हम starting chapter से ही यही method हमने follow किया है कि how can we make the denominator same. So no need to repeat it again. 5/6 we are giving. Then we have to make the denominator 12. So we should multiply the 6 by 2. I am again repeating that it is must to multiply denominator and numerator by a same number. You cannot multiply only a single numerator or denominator. केवल एक को तुम multiply नहीं कर सकते. Now what we have obtained? We have obtained -9/12 and 10/12. What you have obtained? -9/12 and 10/12. Now see, the denominators are same, both are 12. So you can take now any of the 10 rational numbers between -9 and 10. -9 से 10 के बीच में कोई से भी 10 rational numbers तुम अपनी choice से ले सकते हो and that will be your answer. Fine. See, for example, I have taken -8, -7/12, -5/12, -4/12, -1/12, 0, 2/12, 4/12, 5/12, 8/12 and so on. You can take any of the numbers of your choice. Fine. I think this method is clear now. No more questions are to be discussed or required. What you have to do? You have to first make the LCM equal and then compare the numerators. Fine. Now we are moving to our next exercise, that is word problems. In word word problems, the concept of all the questions is same. जो हमारा concept है सभी questions का वो क्या है? Same है as we have stated earlier. It is about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. You all are familiar with that. So I am just giving you some of the examples so you can better understand it. Take a first question. A drum full of rice weighs 40 and 1/6 kg. If the empty drum weighs 13 and 3/4 kg, find the weight of rice in the drum. There is a drum which is filled with rice. एक drum है जिसमें rice filled है, and what is its weight? Its weight is 40 and 1/6 kg. And what is the weight of empty drum? The weight of empty drum is 13 and 3/4 kg. So what you have to find out now? You have to find out the weight of rice. What you have to find out? You have to find out the weight of rice. So what you have to done? You have to done the weight of drum with rice subtracted 13 and 3/4. जो टोटल वेट है अगर उसमें से हम एम्प्टी ड्रम की वेट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे then the weight of rice will be obtained. Fine. First we have to simplify it. सबसे पहले हमें इसको simplify करना है. The method is to multiply 40 by 6. 40 को हमने किससे multiply किया? 6 से, then add 1 in it. So what we get? 241 divided by 6 minus 13 into 4 plus 3. That is 55 upon 4. Now take LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 you all better know it is 12. Now 6 to 12, 2 multiplied by 241 minus 3 multiplied by 55 divided by 12. So after solving what we get? We get 317 upon 12. And if we convert it into mixed fraction, what will be the answer? The answer will be 26 and 5/12. I think there should be no doubt how to convert a fraction into the mixed fraction, कि हम किसी भी fraction को mixed fraction में कैसे convert करते हैं. What you have to do? You have to divide the given number by the denominator. जो भी हमारा numerator है हम उसको किससे divide करेंगे? By denominator, and your answer will be obtained. Now take another example. Find the cost of 302 by 5 meter of cloth at 63 and 3/4 per meter. Per meter means cost of 1 meter. What is the meaning of per meter? Per meter means cost of 1 meter. In this question, the cost of 1 meter is given and you have to find out the cost of 3 and 2/5 meter. In these type of questions, when the value of a small quantity is given and higher is asked. जब भी हमें smaller quantity की value given है और larger quantity की value पूछी हुई है, in that case what you have to do? You have to multiply the numbers. What you have to do? You have to multiply. So here we are doing that. Cost of 1 meter cloth is 63 and 3/4, and we have to find out the cost of 3 and 2/5 meter. So we are multiplying the both numbers. Fine. Simplify them first of all. 63 and 3/4 when simplified it gives 255 upon 4 multiplied by 17 upon 5. Now simplify them. 5 1 ja 5 and here 51. 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. Now multiply 51 by 17. 51 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 17 से, and then divide by 4. So what do you get? You get 216 and 3/4. So this is the cost of cloth that you have obtained, and this is your answer. Nothing extra should be done in these type of word problems. it up. These are basically depend upon the concept that we have studied earlier. जो हम concepts पढ़ चुके हैं उन्हीं पे बेस है ये, ठीक है. So just recall those concepts and then you are able to solve all of these sums. Fine. Just take another example. The area of a room is 65 into 1 by 4 meter square. If its breadth is 507 upon 16 meter, what is its length? What you have given? You have given the area and the breadth of room. What you have given? You have given the area and the breadth, and you have to find out the length. In this type of the question, first assume the unknown quantity. What you have to assume? You have to assume the unknown quantity. So here we are assuming the length. Let the length be x meter. What is the formula of area? The area of room formula is L into B, that is length into breadth. So x is the length, it is multiplied by breadth. What is the breadth? The breadth is 5 into 7 upon 16. And what we get then? What is the area? That is 65 into 1 by 4. Fine. So x multiplied by, when we simplify it, what we get? 87 divided by 60 is equal to 261 divided by 4. Here the multiplication sign, and when we transpose it to RHS, what it will become? It will become division sign. जब भी हम multiply sign का transpose करेंगे, what it becomes? It becomes division sign. So it is 261 divided by 4 whole divided by 87 divided by 16. Now remember the concept that we have studied. जब भी division का sign हो, what we have to do? We have to convert it into multiplication sign and then take the reciprocal of the second number. जो भी हमारा second number है, हम उसका क्या ले लेंगे? Reciprocal. Same here we are doing. That is 261 divided by 4 multiplied by 16 upon 87. We have taken the reciprocal. Now 4 4 is 16 and 87 3s are 261. So what we get? We get 12. That is the length of room. Fine. I think it is clear now. And in this way we have completed our chapter, that is chapter number 1, rational numbers. All the exercises have been explained in detail. If you are having any type of problem regarding the solution of any of the question, just ask me whenever we meet or write it in the comments box. Fine. So it's enough for today's class. Stay inside, stay healthy, and have a nice day. Good to see you all. Bye.